Hey there, homeowners. Today I'm sharing some top maintenance hacks to keep your through-the-wall air conditioner running like a dream. Let's dive right in. First up, clean or replace the air filter regularly. A dirty filter restricts airflow, forces your system to work harder, and reduces cooling performance. Trust me, a clean filter is your AC's best friend. Next, clean those evaporator and condenser coils. Over time, they collect dust and dirt, lowering efficiency. A quick clean ensures your BTU output stays strong and your energy consumption stays low. Don't forget to inspect and clear the drainage system. Condensation can clog the drain line or pan, leading to water damage or mold growth. Nobody wants that. Check the wall sleeve and weather sealing around your unit. Ensure it's structurally sound and sealed tight to prevent air leakage. Proper sealing means better cooling and energy savings. Optimize your thermostat settings. Smart or programmable thermostats make your AC work smarter, not harder, improving energy efficiency. And who doesn't want that? Keep an eye on your BTU output and cooling performance. If your space isn't cooling as it used to, measure the BTU output. It might be time for a little TLC. Inspect the refrigerant level, especially for R32 units. A leak can reduce cooling efficiency and be dangerous. R32 is environmentally friendly, but only when used efficiently. Finally, schedule annual professional tune-ups. Even if you're on top of monthly maintenance, a pro can deep clean, test, and inspect all critical components. Your AC will thank you. So there you have it. Keep your AC cool, save money, and reduce your carbon footprint with these simple maintenance hacks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.